Don't forget about the exterior while you are spring cleaning at your home. Now is the perfect time to add some charm to your home's curb appeal. Rebel Snodgrass, owner of All American Exteriors, is here with some advice to refresh our homes. You brought some samples too, because we've had a lot of storms, you know, the past few weeks.
Yeah, there's a lot of storms. I know the last couple of days, you know, and I'm not one to pray for it, but I will tell you when it happens, it does not sadden me.
You're here to help. You're here to help.
I am. As a matter of fact, Megan, when I got here today, I recognized one of the people that opened the door for me. She thanked me because she called me out to look at a project, and I looked at her and I said, "You can hire me, but I can tell you right now how you can do this a lot cheaper."
Oh, really?
And
okay.
I got them fixed for hundreds instead of thousands of dollars. And she thanked me for it. And I told her, I said, "See, you can testify." Not a salesman. I really am here to help. I love to help people. Love to make money too. So I want to make my profit, but you'll find me very, very affordable. You know, I mean, a perfect example, my kids have an egg business and they sell at $5 a dozen, and they could be getting 7 or 8 for farm eggs. But I'm like, $5 pays our bills and we make a decent profit.
Okay, so we can get eggs from you and a new roof.
Well, I guess you could. That's my kids' gig. That's the car account and the college account, because I know Dad isn't going to have that kind of money when it's over. Because I'm affordable now for the roofing and siding.
Well, tell us about this, because it really will give us a beautiful new exterior and peace of mind, because we know it's going to last.
So everything I sell, and it doesn't mean it's the most expensive, it is the most longevity product on the market.
I want to see. You're going to stomp for us.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
This is the stone-coated steel.
Okay.
Now, on that, watch this.
Oh!
I ain't playing around, and I used to do this when I weighed 400 pounds. You can see that. The stone coating is all still there. The number one question I'm asked by everyone is, well, how long does the stone coat stay on? Because they're used to asphalt. This is put on with polymerized rubber and then wet set in that, acrylic overcoat, and baked. So it will not come off. It has a 25-year warranty that the color will match if something happens and we have to come out and change a piece because a tree fell or something, and change a few pieces. You won't see a patch in. That's guaranteed for 25. Carries a 50-year bumper-to-bumper replacement warranty. No reasons not to pay it. There's no transfer fees and no reasons not to carry that on. So it has a 50-year warranty.
And we're seeing some before and afters. Or now this is in your home, but
those are before and afters. That's in Grimes.
Okay.
Great people.
Oh wow, look at that.
Yes, yes.
So
and that's a steel roof.
Not only good quality, but it's aesthetically pleasing too.
Yes, and my polymer siding.
Yeah, what's this? This is the siding. Are we going to stomp on the siding
I'm going to stomp on that siding and show you what hail does. Okay, let's wait till we
come back out here. Yeah, because people have had a lot of hail. Okay, so now we're there. So this is the siding. Oh, wow, there's not even a mark.
Yeah, I'm not playing with you. I'm telling you the truth. You can do it if you call me out. I drove my truck over this for people.
Oh, really?
Not this piece, but this siding.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just phenomenal. You see, it's a polymer, not vinyl. And so I replace, that's how I pay my bills. Replacing people's siding is what we do. This siding here will never need to replace. My son won't have to replace this. It has a 50-year warranty. It includes color fade.
Okay.
And here's the thing. I had a color that faded and we had to fix it. You couldn't see it, but only from one direction in it, just a little. They not only paid for the siding 2 months after I did it, because I donated my labor to take care of my homeowner. I got a check in the mail 2 months after we done it. I wasn't even expecting it, from the manufacturer for my labor. They cover you, they mean it. It's a real warranty. Most warranty today isn't worth the paper it's written on.
Okay, well, so we did this, the roof, we did the siding. Any other things that we can
get?
We
do windows.
Windows, yeah, and I think we have pictures of those too, which that's always fun to see.
Yeah, I've got the most energy efficient windows in the state of Iowa. Now there's a couple manufacturers that are so close that if you put 3 of them side by side in the same wall, you couldn't tell them apart energy efficient wise.
Huh.
But it is the highest energy efficient window in the business, and I would guarantee you it's the best price for quality.
And that'll save money in the long run too on energy bills.
Yes, yes, absolutely. I actually have a letter from somebody. It was 29 windows and patio doors, and they saved over $600 a month.
Oh, wow.
Just like that. I told them 3 because I didn't want to lie to them. But I said, I know I can save you at least $300 because I looked at their electric bills and their energy bills and done the formula. but it done double what I told them.
Rebel, thanks so much for being here. Thanks for
Yeah.
the demo too. That's always fun.
Oh yeah. That's the boot scoop and boogie right there.
Well, you can learn more. Just go to allamericanforyou.com or call 515-255-4872. You'll find them located in Indianola, and you can see more on Facebook.